Children, let us suppose we have AB, which is equal to, let's say, 7 centimeter. Okay? And we have to divide it in the ratio 1:4. We have to divide it in the ratio 1:4. Now, children, when I'm saying that divided in the ratio 1:4, that means how many parts will be there of this line segments?
4.
5.
Yes, there will be
5.
5 parts. Suppose you have a piece of chocolate and there are two stakeholders of it, P and Q, and I'm saying divided in the ratio 1:4. What does it mean? That if P is going to get one part of the chocolate, then Q should get how many parts?
4.
4 parts.
4.
So how many total parts I have to divide this chocolate in?
5.
5 parts, right? So likewise, I have to divide this line segment AB in 5 parts. Okay, let us see. Here, this you can write. Here, total parts equal 1 plus 4, which is equal 5. Okay? Now I'm telling you how we are going to do this construction. Please keep listening to me carefully and then you do the needful later. Or you may do it with me. First of all, draw AB equals 7 centimeter with the help of scale. And make sure that your figures are well labeled. Okay? Now, with the help of scale, draw a ray. Here, I'm saying ray. That means one fixed point, another can be extended as long as you want, which makes an acute angle. Any angle. Suppose I have drawn this ray AX. I have drawn this ray AX. Okay? Since it's going out of the board, मैं यहीं थोड़ा सा छोटा कर देती हूँ. So let us mark a ray AX. Okay? Select any radius in your compass. Select a radius in your compass. Keep the needle here. Draw first arc. Draw first arc. If it is A, name it A1. Okay? Do not change the radius of your compass. Whatever you have selected, keep the same thing. Now put your needle on the second arc. Draw the second arc. Name it A2. How many such arcs are we going to draw? 5. Because there are 5 parts in all. Without changing the radius, beta. Radius means change hona, otherwise your construction will go wrong. Not changing the radius means we are making equal parts. So A3, A4, A5. If it happens to be P, we will write P1, P2, P3. If it happens to be C, C1, C2, whatever it is. And parts equal to the sum of the ratio. So 5 parts are done. Now as we have to divide in the ratio 1:4, what you are going to do is, first of all, you join this B, that is end point of the line segment, to the last ratio with the help of scale. I repeat, join the end point of line segment with the last ratio 5, A5 with the help of a scale. तो आप B को A5 से join कर देंगे. ठीक है? Then, as the ratio is 1:4, so on the first arc, because it is 1:4, if it is 2:3, we will make it on the second arc. If it is 3:4, we will make on the third arc. Since it is 1:4, so on the first arc, that is A1, we wish to draw a line which is parallel to BX. Which is parallel to BX. Now we know, children, if these are two lines and there is an angle like this, what is the name of these angles?
Corresponding.
Corresponding.
Corresponding angles are equal, then what happens to the line? Lines
Parallel.
are
Lines are parallel.
parallel. Very good. So we are going to keep this concept in mind. We are going to draw corresponding angles equal. And to draw equal angles, what is the procedure? You keep your compass at A5, select any radius. Now you can change the radius. पहले वाला नहीं चाहिए, अब आप थोड़ा बड़ा कर सकते हो. बहुत छोटा मत लीजिएगा. Don't take it too small, otherwise it will not look good and it will not be accurate. Suppose you have selected this much, whatever is your compass. आप यहाँ पे रखेंगे on A5 the needle and draw an arc. Draw an arc starting from here till here. Can you do that, children? Is it easy for you to do?
Yes.
Yes. After drawing this arc with the same radius, come on A1 पे आइए और अपनी arc लगा दीजिए. Starting point तो you have, but you do not have the ending point. So let the arc be little longer. ठीक है? Let the arc be little longer. Even if it is going like this, there is no need to worry. Let it be. You don't have, with this same radius, draw arc here. Okay? Now you want that the measure of this angle should be equal to measure of this angle. So for that the procedure is, keep your needle here and measure the arc. Measure the length of the arc. कैसे? यहाँ पे रखेंगे अपना needle. Bring your pencil here. Select your compass so that your radius is measured. This radius you measure. Keep here. Wherever it intersects, जहाँ भी वो intersect कर रहे हैं आपको, that is your another point. Let me zoom it. Wherever it intersects, yes बेटा.
मैम ये जो हमें दूसरी आर्क फॉर्म करनी थी वो पॉइंट ए पे नीडल को रख के ड्रॉ करना है.
A1, because the ratio is 1:4. So on the first point, first arc. If it is 3, then on the
मैम मेरी तो ए से ही बाहर जा रही है.
यस मैम मेरी भी टच ही नहीं हो रही इस लाइन से.
children, no problem at all. If you have taken the bigger radius, it may go outside also. No problem
Yes,
at
ma'am.
all. It may go like this also. No problem at all. No problem at all. It depends on your radius. If you have taken a smaller radius, it will lie inside. If you have taken a bigger one, it will definitely go outside. No problem at all. Okay? So
Okay.
now you have to measure this. You have to measure this. इसको measure करके यहाँ पे arc लगाना. Now wherever this intersects the arc, join it with A1. Join it with A1. Let it be point P. Now these two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel. And why these two lines are parallel? Why these two lines are parallel? Can anybody tell?
Corresponding angles.
Corresponding angles.
Angles are equal. Now let us see triangle APA1 and triangle ABA5. Are these two triangles similar? Bolo.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Are these two triangles similar? Why are these two
Yes,
triangles?
ma'am.
Angle
Ma'am,
मैम
A
A कॉमन है
common
और
and ma'am
A1
corresponding
is equal
angle.
to A5.
is equal to A5 by construction. So by angle, these two triangles are similar. ये हमें लिखना नहीं है, I'm just explaining you. And since the triangles are similar, the ratio of their sides will be equal. A1
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be A5, which is equal to AP upon AB. Bolo?
Yes, ma'am.
Or let us forget this similarity. Let us simply go for BPT. What does BPT says? If two lines are parallel, by BPT,
A1 divided by A1, A5 is equal to
lines are
AP
parallel in
divided.
triangle, then the ratio of their sides is equal. So AP upon PB is equal to AA1 upon में A1 A5.
A1, A5.
Now AA1 is one part, A1 to A5 four parts by construction. So what is AP and PB?
1/4.
1:4. Is it justified?
Yes, ma'am.
Thus, P is the point on AB such that AP is to PB is equal 1:4.
मैम ये जो
Yes.
हमारी A5 और B है
हाँ. Yes,
ये
tell
क्या
me.
टेढ़ी हो सकती है?
Wait a second. Harshit, please stop.